Hi Suman, thanks for attending PMP training at Armadillo Consultants. How is your overall experience with the training?
Hey, I'm Suman Gandhi. To speak of the Armadillo Consultants, I happen to search it online, understand who are the trainers for the PMP, and I had predefined criteria for me to pick up a consultant who would train me as per my requirements because I come from an entirely different background. I am looking for a transition from an ex-army background to a corporate background where I'm trying to relate whatever I did back in army from a project management perspective and trying to build up on that and get this certification done and enter the corporate wherever I get best fitted. So hence, when I came across Hari, honestly, I had no clue about Hari, anybody, and I did interact with a couple of consultants, and everybody sold me a great plan where there's a money back guarantee. There's something that I would be able to make it in 7 days, 10 days. But somehow, what really clicked with Hari was he did not try to sell it. When I asked him what exactly it is, he was the only one among the three I spoke to who tried to understand as to what is my requirement, where do I come from, what is it that I'm trying to gain out of this certification. So that is where I was able to connect. So that personal connect is something that really made me to enroll for it. I know, I was little. I was not so sure whether really to enroll for this because it comes with a cost, and that is when I openly had a very open chat with Hari, and then he made me understand what is it that I'll be gaining and how he is different from the others. And when I spoke to him heart out, he tried to help me understand what are the gaps in my initial understanding about project management. Basis that he asked me not to join the program immediately, rather start off with my own initial groundwork. So that took about 15 days for me. Once I finished that, only then he made me join the class, right? So that's how I started. That's how I enrolled for this session. And when I came here, it's a different story altogether, right? So I met across people from diverse backgrounds, people with diverse aims in life. And when I spoke to them, I was really lost. I didn't know, oh my God, the people were so prepared and stuff. But then Hari made me understand, don't try to compare with anybody. Right? You're from a different background, take it slowly. There's no hurry, take it slowly. Finish this training session, understand the concepts, do your homework, then I'll guide you what to do. That is what really made me feel comfortable at the initial of the session, and from there there's no looking back.
Right? So now are you confident on the PMP concepts?
Concept, yes, definitely. Concepts, definitely. More than that, I think more than the confidence, the comfort that Hari gave me is something, it's making me feel, I think, yes, I can make it.
Right? When are you planning to take up the PMP exam?
In the 3 weeks time, I aim to finish this. And I'm very confident now that with the guidance Hari has given me and the follow-up post the session, what Hari is intending to give, if I aim to stick to it and follow his advice, I think I'll be able to make it.
And do you recommend this training for your friends?
Definitely, anytime. No second thoughts about that.
Yeah. Thank you, Suman, and all the best for your PMP exam.
Thank you so much.